2867779. 2867779.
Who's that? What do you got? Merry Christmas. You have a tough time getting on an airplane anyway.
44310.
32-inch flat screen. Who is it? Jeffrey Parker. We had a little boy here about 4 years ago, 3 years ago. His mother spoke, and then he got up and spoke. Do you know what was his name? Okay, so he was the ambassador. He sent me a little card after he left here. We gave him a couple $100 gift card to Best Buy. You should see a smile on his face when he got some kind of and I'm not a techie. I don't know if he got an iPad or an iPod or whatever it is. And smile on that kid's face just lit up the room. But he also wrote in his own writing. He said, "I remember when before you ended it, you did something that Jerry Lewis did in the way that, hey, we'll never let you walk alone. We'll be there with you step by step." And it was kind of neat in his own writing. So that's why Allison, Jessica, and everybody else in there, we'll be with you all the way, step by step.